Hey, look at that. So the Janeiro. So this came in number 62, number 68, 59, and 76. Let's see how it looks like. So this box is textured. You can actually feel the bottles that has been drawn on it. It's pretty like rough. Anyways, this is what it is. Listen, I love to smell really nice, so let's see how it smells like. I really love to smell nice, so yeah. So you ready for the unveiling? Okay. So let's see how this smells like. It's the number 62. Let's try. I usually spray the back of my neck at both sides and then spray the insides of my wrist like that, and I rub it. Then I come to my elbow like that, then I rub it too as well. I could go all the way, and oh my god, this smells so amazing. Whoo, number 62. If you're looking to smell really great, this is for you. Actually, wow. Go to the next one, which is number 68. I don't know how I'm gonna put this without this, but I'll find a way. Oh, let's test it out. This has like a different smell to it now. Oh wow. See the notes on this, because this also smells really nice. It has Brazilian jasmine, pink dragon fruit, and ocean air. That's the notes in this one. So this really smells nice. I love it. So this has the warmth of sunset with uplifting notes of vanilla orchard. And then it has the sugared violet and shea sandalwood. So let's try it out. It's really mild, so let me spray it again. Maybe I'm not spraying too much, so I just don't want to waste it. It's so expensive. It's really mild. I still can't smell it, but it's okay. But if you're not a type that likes a really loud or an overwhelming or intoxicating perfumes, I think this is for you. Number 59. Now, last but not the least, 76. Cherosa 76 captures the dazzling 1976 discotheque era of Brazil. Go wherever the night takes you with midnight jasmine, blackcurrant, and amber woods. I'm not really a fan of amber woods, but surprise me. I'm hoping they surprise me though. That actually smells nice. I love it. It's pretty mild. I hope through this video you're able to choose the type of body mist you like to have. Most of them have unique fragrances. You're gonna love it, trust me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Cheers.